Welcome to my YouTube channel SM Wealth YouTube channel. Subscribe and video like. What does a $100 million view look like in Los Angeles? Welcome to the crown jewel of Bel Air. Sitting on its own private hilltop, this 30,000 square foot ultramodern mega mansion isn't just a home, it's a private luxury resort. Step through the front entrance, and you're instantly greeted by 24-foot floor-to-ceiling glass walls that slide completely away at the touch of a button. Look at this seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Out here, we have a 100-foot zero-edge infinity pool that seems to drop right into the Los Angeles skyline. Whether it's sunrise or sunset, this is easily one of the most expensive views in North America. Now, a $100 million home isn't complete without insane amenities. First, an underground auto gallery that looks like a modern art museum, holding up to 10 supercars. Next, your own private 15-seat Dolby Atmos cinema with plush velvet seating. And if you need to relax? Behind this hidden wood-paneled wall is a private wellness sanctuary featuring a marble sauna, cold plunge, and a full subterranean spa pool upstairs. The primary bedroom suite alone is bigger than most standard homes, over 3,000 square feet. It features dual boutique-style walk-in closets, a private fire pit lounge on the balcony, and a bathroom crafted entirely from imported Italian Calicotta marble. Waking up to this view every morning is the ultimate dream. So, if you had $100 million burning a hole in your pocket, would you buy this Los Angeles masterpiece? Let me know in the comments below, drop a like if you enjoyed the tour, and don't forget to subscribe for more inside looks at the world's most incredible homes.